Hello everybody, today I have a lovely little journal to share with you, and this is a petite size one signature journal. It has approximately 44 pages front and back, and it measures about approximately 4.5 by 7.5 inches. The cover is fabric and it has all been hand stitched, apart from some sections have been connected to the actual cardboard insert, just to keep it secure by machine stitching, but all the cover is done by hand. We have slow stitching. I've patched it together. It was actually this absolutely beautiful vintage handkerchief that came from Crafty Me Shop that was bigger than the actual cover, so I used part of it like that, and then the pieces that I cut off I patched on here and here, a little piece here, and then another piece here. So I used it all, apart from I think one little corner, and if I can find that in my, I think that's it there. No, is that it? Anyway, I'll probably insert it into a little pocket in the journal. This beautiful piece here is, everything is from Crafty Me Shop. All the laces, any fabric handkerchiefs, any appliques, they're all from Crafty Me Shop. And I will link Crafty Me Shop in the description box below. It is a Facebook store run by a beautiful lady called Esme. And she has sales a couple of times a week. All the information for that will be on the Facebook group if you're interested in her laces and trims, and she has vintage items as well. You can ask to join the group. It is a private group, and that's the only way you can purchase from her. I have some mother of pearl buttons across the top. They're actually, I think that one's glass, and they are vintage also. And I have my monogram on the back. So it is tied with some chiffon. And inside is lined with some ticking fabric. I have a pocket at the front here that is covered in fabric. A postcard just for your use, and also a bookmark, and that is covered in lace from Crafty Me Shop on an index card. And that goes into that lovely little pocket there, which is also a crocheted heart and a flower. And like I said before, all these things come from Crafty Me Shop. So I'll bring it up close. I have some stamping here and some washi tape. All these are from Crafty Me Shop. The tags are covered. They're like a, what do they call? Like a masterboard, and I cut them up and put some embossing on it. And I've had these labels. I got those from the Shabby Dabby Doodah printables, and I've popped those on. I really like those ones. Offcuts of lace as well, and a bit of stamping on the back. I have some little flowers that I've glittered the centres on. Some more embossing. And here I have another postcard, and I have this lovely applique piece that is from Crafty Me Shop also, and that is a journal spot. Another little tag with a gorgeous applique piece that I've cut up, so I've used it on there. I did use the stamp that I bought from Paper Inspirations. They're so pretty. Another little bit of lace down the bottom here. In here I have another tag. And I've just enclosed a few little bits of paper that you can rip up or just, journal on throughout the journal and attach to the pages if you want, or just tuck them back in when you've got your notes on. Little flip out there, and this is the lovely sample doily die. It's one of her newer ones. This is another beautiful vintage handkerchief from Crafty Me Shop, and I do have the other piece of this, so I'll pop that over to one side so that I can enclose it with the journal as well. Just a little tag, and that was the tag off the stamp I got, but I just took the price off the back and enclosed it here in the journal. Another bit of lace there, another pocket, just a little envelope to tuck things in there, and a little pocket that I made. And even this trim here is off a large heart from Crafty Me Shop. So that goes in there, and that goes in there. There we go. And that's the other part of the applique, well, a part of the applique that I cut up. You'll see the other part soon. Just a little offcut that I've used as a journal spot. That it wasn't intentional, but when I put the lace on, I noticed there was a little pocket, so I made the little tags from the offcuts. Another tag there. And the thread I've left long enough so whoever purchases this journal can either trim them down, leave them as they are, or attach a bead or something to them if they like. There's another tag there. And this fabric here is the pocket, came from Crafty Me Shop also. The other part of the handkerchief, another little tag there. There's the rest of that lovely applique, and it shows how you can use them in your crafting. They can, like that did 3 different things, that one simple applique. Beautiful lace down here as well. Another tag there. Oh, and we have some more little journal bits here. You can either write on or rip up and attach to your journal as a collage or something like that. A little glassine bag I made, and I've popped some punched out flowers that have been glittered, and I used one of the tags from the Shabby Dabby Doodah kit, like these. I cut one out and just folded it over the page to hold the bag in place. There, another tag. And then in the back pocket here, I've just got a little book page envelope, and I've put an applique piece on it, and I've just popped a bit of lace inside there. So I think what I will do is, before I stop here, I've got another one here, another pocket. I made these quite a long time ago now. What I might do is just pop one in the front there with these little pieces of the handkerchief. And I know there's just a tiny corner piece from the other one as well. Okay, I found it. It's just a tiny little piece left, but it's ever so pretty. I'll pop that in there as well. I know it's only a little piece, but we only need little pieces sometimes to pretty things up, don't we? So I'll pop that in there. And that can go in that front pocket perhaps with that postcard. I wonder if I should... might need a closure. Okay, let me see what we can do. This was not planned at all. Okay, I've got a little bulb pin here. Oh, I know what I've got. Oh no, it's too bulky. Okay, I will just close it like that. That will hold it. Okay, there we go. And pop that in the front pocket there. Really needs something on that now though, doesn't it? Okay. Okay, that's better than being naked. We'll just pop a little bit of mesh on there as well. So there we go. That is my Petite journal using all the beautiful things from Crafty Me Shop. And this will be available in my Etsy store if anybody is interested. And there we go. I think she's really, really pretty. Clean hands with it, of course, because it is fabric. But that goes without saying, doesn't it, really? So thank you so much for stopping by today and watching, and take care, everybody.